I've seen actually quite a bit of data fragmentation, and if the user can actually have their identity portable and verifiable across the entire ecosystem, that's really what fosters growth. And Air Identity, Air Money, and Air Loyalty is basically enabling that. And identity as the core is just because it's the first touch point of user onboarding.
Air Identity aims to solve a few key problems. The first is unifying identities, where a user can sign in and generate the same identity and wallet across this ecosystem. Air Identity focuses on enabling partners to carry their identity data and monetize that as an asset. We also use zero-knowledge proof technology, where all data is then encrypted and generated in a way that only enable partners to share the data that is absolutely needed. So there's no overexposure of data.
So first, with the foundational layer, which is Moca Chain. Moca Chain is a purposely built L1 blockchain for credentials and identity. The chain is built to be interoperable with any other chains so that credential verifications can be done wherever the apps are. We have the compliance and security layer with GDPR standards and also SOC 2 standards that meets compliance and data privacy laws everywhere.
Air Money is the money layer that as an enterprise you would embed within your existing ecosystems. Air Money allows our enterprise customers and their users to hold, move, spend, and pay their money in a better way. Now imagine that an eSIM provider integrates with Air Money. Automatically behind the scenes, we can create an embedded wallet for the user. So let's say a user tops up $50. They spend $25 to buy a data package. The remaining $25 can continue to accrue interest that's coming from our stablecoin, which is backed by US Treasury bills.
Loyalty program has been global and serving a lot of members around the world. So the data is pretty fragmented. And so from the user's perspective also, they have a lot of frictions. So ending up a lot of points will be expired. Air is trying to transform the entire business model from really just a cost center become revenue driver for a lot of the businesses. So we enable that to use it more freely across different ecosystems. So day one, you basically have a lot of partners globally you can use your points with. This is how we see the entire loyalty landscape will change in the coming years.
And enterprises that are looking to build new use cases around identity, loyalty, or money, they can pick and choose which core pillars they want to work with.
And what actually very much excites us on a day-to-day basis is really seeing a world where everything is interoperable, which is basically the original promise of Web3 and blockchain. And Air Identity, Air Money, and Air Loyalty is basically enabling that. That's the magic, and that's how it happens.